So yeah, that's my new mantel clock. It's made by a French company. I think that's the name there. So I call this one Little John. That's the name of this one. And Big Ben is over there. And this one here is called Little Lynn. Because it's named after my mother, actually, who has now learned to become a bell ringer. And this plays the Whittington chimes, which I believe is based on the tune of Change Ringing. So this is another Westminster quarter clock right here. So yeah, I'm hoping I've enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next episode. Goodbye.